Welcome back. In this video, we're going to cover how to use PALADIN to acquire an AFF4 image. Once you have PALADIN booted up, access the toolbox from the right-hand side menu and make sure you're on the Imager tab. Once you are on the Imager tab, start by selecting a source from the drop-down. This is the disk that PALADIN will image. In this case, we are going to select the internal physical drive. From here, start by opening the image type drop-down and selecting AFF4. The image details window will instantly pop up, where you can fill in your case metadata, including the case and evidence numbers, examiner name, description, and any custom notes, while also setting your preferred compression level. Once your details are locked in, click Done. Next, select your destination drive, which is where PALADIN will write the image, and type in your label to name the output file. Finally, the Verify After Creation option may be enabled. This will confirm that the source and destination hash both match. Once everything looks good, click Start to kick off the imaging process. While PALADIN works its magic, you can monitor the real-time progress and view detailed results at any time by clicking the Imager 1 tab. It's that simple. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for our upcoming features and releases.